Welcome to the introduction of How to Do More Push-Ups Without Getting Tired guide. This more than meets the eye. Often underestimated, push-ups are not just for those who frequent the gym. This fundamental exercise engages multiple muscle groups including the chest, shoulders, triceps, and core. Consider push-ups the multi-tool of fitness routines. Their versatility and effectiveness allow them to be performed virtually anywhere. All you need is your body and a flat surface. Are you ready to explore the full potential of push-ups? Join us as we delve into how to do more push-ups without getting tired, enhancing your stamina, and empowering your fitness journey through push-ups. Moving into the second section, warm up right, push up strong. Initiating your workout with a proper warm-up is crucial. Imagine gearing up your muscles for peak performance, akin to a superhero before a battle. Begin with gentle cardio exercises such as jogging in place or jumping jacks. These activities increase circulation and elevate your heart rate. Follow up with dynamic stretches including arm circles and torso twists to enhance joint mobility. A thorough warm-up not only prevents injuries but also sets the stage for an effective push-up workout. Remember, a gradual and focused approach ensures lasting success. Next, we focus on the importance of form in our third section. Small tweaks, big gains. Maintaining proper form is essential for the effectiveness of push-ups. Visualize your body forming a straight line from your head to your heels. Activate your core, tighten your glutes, and keep your elbows close to your body. Be mindful to not let your hips sag or your head lift. Small adjustments in your form can significantly enhance muscle engagement and optimize your push-up efficacy. Remember, it's about quality, not just quantity. Breathing might seem like a minor detail, but it's crucial for maximizing your push-up performance. Inhale deeply as you lower yourself, and exhale forcefully as you ascend. Controlled rhythmic breathing not only maintains stability, but also enhances your strength during each repetition. Use your breath as a powerful tool to push through the challenges of push-ups. Consistent and focused breathing provides the oxygen your muscles need to perform optimally. Here's your comprehensive guide, How to Do More Push-Ups Without Getting Tired to Mastering Push-Ups. Consistency is your greatest ally. Begin with a manageable number of push-ups, how to do more push-ups without getting tired, ensuring they are challenging, yet doable. Incrementally increase your repetitions as your strength builds. If necessary, modify your push-ups to suit your current fitness level. For beginners, consider starting with wall push-ups or knee push-ups to gradually build your strength. Watch and learn how to do more push-ups without getting tired. Celebrate each achievement, no matter the size. Now take this knowledge and confidence into your workouts and excel in your push-up journey. Armed with the right techniques and determination, you are set for success in your push-up endeavors. And this is very informative on how to do more push-ups without getting tired.